Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a Texas slash wedding haul. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get right to it. So we went to Texas for Divya's wedding because you know Divya and Zack are married. So congratulations to them. And also I've done a wedding video, so if you guys want to go check it out as well. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So I have so many stuff I want to go through. So this is actually an Indian themed wedding and also the American wedding as well. So during the party, they did handed out some bagels and some Indian items. So it came with this cute goodie bag with all the Indian themes on it. And yes, the ties are broken. So yeah, don't judge me. So, yeah. But anyway, I got these two of these things you can put on your head. So this is called the Whoop Wedgie Bandai. So, yeah, you can put things on your head. So this one is all white things. And then this one, it is colored. So, yeah, this is so cute. And then also this pink jewelry box right here. Can't go through it because there's so many bagels in it. So this is a pink jewelry box. And also it came with the green jewelry box. So it looks like a jewelry box. So yeah. And then also I got so many bagels. They're all like pink. And also greens and pinks and some kind of a tealish color. So yeah, this is from Divya and Zack's wedding. So yeah, again, congratulations to Divya and Zack on their marriage here. So I hope you get to spend a journey. So yeah. So anyway, guys, let's just get to the good stuff, alright? So anyway, next up is Tyler's. So here's all the stuff I got from Tyler's. So this is the Easter themed Tyler's t-shirt. There's a Salt Lake, Texas on it. So yeah, they're all Easter themed. So that's what I'm going to wear for Easter extravaganza. So yeah, this is the back. And right there is the front. If you guys saw it, this is the front. Look at that. It says Tyler's South Lake, Texas on it. So yeah, this is really cute. So yeah, that's the Easter Tyler shirt. And then this one, it is the tie-dye shirt with pink letters on it. So look at this. There's this Tyler's on it as well. And it says South Lake, Texas on it. See, it says South Lake, Texas on it. So yeah, I really love these pink letters with the tie-dye on it. So yeah, here is the side. And there is the front. There it says Tyler's South Lake, Texas on it. Look at that. It says Tyler's. So yeah, these are the shirts that I got from Tyler's. And then next up, it is the Hydro Flask. They're from Tyler's as well. So I got a Hydro Flask. Look at that. Look at that. It says Hydro Flask on it. I got a pink one. So yeah. So is the standard mouth. I got a standard mouth. Look at that. It is colder, harder, and longer. So yeah, it's 18 ounces. Look at that. Pretty nice. It has pro grade stainless steel, colorless coating, a BPA and toxin free, and this was safe. So yeah, it came with this lid on it. So this is a standard mouth lid. But also you can customize the standard mouth lids. So here's what I got. This is the Hydro Frisk standard mouth flex straw cap. So it fits all the standard mouth Hydro Frisk bottles. It also has the 2 straws included. And also this flex straw cap as well. So there it is. You can go ahead and pull it out. If we can put it up tight. See that? You can pull it out and drink it. Either way, it goes. So when you want to finish drinking, you just go ahead and put this top back on. So yeah, and also it even has a handle. So yes, it's Hydro Frisk on it. So yeah, it's pretty nice. But also I got this tag-along battle sling. They're from Hydro Frisk. So it is gray, so they don't have pink, so gray is fine. So it has a Hydro Frisk logo, so yeah. You can put your Hydro Frisk in here just for working out and stuff and walking around or do some shopping, all that stuff. I always take the Hydro Frisk with me just to go shopping so I can drink something when I'm out. But also, it even has a zipper in the back so you can put some stuff in the pockets here. So yeah, this is really nice. So that's all the stuff I got from Tyler's. Now this is a good part. So this is Dasio Japan. So we just found Dasio Japan while it's at Grapevine Mills in Grapevine, Texas. So there's so many Japanese items that are selling for Lang, also known as American money, but you can still use the American money. So yeah, they're from Dasio Japan, which I love Japan a lot, and they have good sushis, good Japanese items, video games, mangas, and all that stuff. So there are so many Japanese home decors and some office stuff from Japan, and also Japanese dishwares, and also Japanese snacks, Japanese drinks, and also Japanese makeup, everything. So yeah, and also some Japanese toys they were selling, and also Japanese cleaning kits. So yeah. So speaking of, my mom just got a Japanese basket. Look at that, you can see all the corgis and dog houses. So I believe there's some moms, but I don't know. We're gonna figure this out once we get it settled. So yeah. But anyway, this is a cute one. So it has corgis a lot. So this is a dog house, lots of corgis, all that stuff. And when you open it up, there is so many stuff you can put in. So yeah, maybe you can put some dog foods, all that stuff, or maybe some random items. So yeah, but anyway, that's that. So I forgot to show you, this is a brown one that is inside. So yeah, it also has handle. So yeah, pretty nice. But also, this is the Lolly Cora's March. It has the artificial flavored mango cream milk cookies. So it's kind of like Hundo Panda. So yeah, this is so cute. Can't wait to eat those. But speaking of, I got myself a Hello Panda chocolate cookies. So yeah, they're from Meiji. But I don't know, it's not written in Japanese, so yeah, that's Hello Panda cookies. So next up, it is the shampoo brush. It's all in Japanese. So yeah. So I believe this is for my aunt, I don't know. So yeah, pretty nice. And then also this bath turban with bun, but it's a bath towel. You can put it on your head after you got a shower. So I got a pink one. So yeah, it's only in Japanese. This is so cute. And also, I don't speak Japanese, so yeah, it is all written in Japanese. So yeah, again, this is really nice, really cool. And then next up, it is the electronic phone cleaner. Look at that, even has a cat on it. So yeah, and also you can dust your phones, your iPads, Macs. I don't know. Either way. So yeah, this is really cute. Can't wait to try that. But also, I got this right here. This is the thing. You can dip it in honey mustard and ketchup, but you can also dip it in some sauces on your sushi or shrimp or anything like that. So I'm gonna have to be careful not to break those. So trying to unwrap those. So I kind of like hardly. So I just want to show you guys this real quick, just to be safe. So I'm trying to just clean it. So it's everything's left around. So it's breakable. So I just want to be careful. So this is the thing you can purchase sauces on it for some Japanese food, but also you can dip it in ketchup and mustard on here. So yeah, this is so cute. It goes to the kitchen. So yeah, this is so cute. But also I got, it is the sushi plates. So I just got a sushi plate for sushi for wasabi or hibachi boy. Of course we have wasabi and hibachi boy in Wichita. So yeah, but I love sushi. I've always get rolls here, so I love sushi rolls. So yeah, on me I'm trying to open this so I don't break those. I know, they're cheap, and I don't want to break. So I just don't want to break those. But everything's a weapon tight, so I just want to be careful. That's all. I just want to be careful. Okay, I have one more. Sorry for the snow. Trying to get this ready. Alright. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Trying to get this open. Got it out. So, this is the sushi plate. Look at that. This is so awesome. You can put a sushi on it. So, yeah. This is so cute. Look at that. I really love this design on here. So, yeah. So, you can put a sushi on it. So, I can order from a hibachi boy or wasabi or anything like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the sushi plate. So, yeah. I think that's it. So, this is what I got from Dasio Japan. So next up, we went to Build-A-Bear, and I just found this. This is the 1997 Chubby Cubby, because we know it's big, and it's a little medium, so yeah. Pretty nice eyes, pretty nice rubber nose, pretty nice mouth, and also I really love this fur design here for the 90s. So yeah, I know it's 1990s. So yeah, look at the paws right there. Kind of looks like a grizzly bear here. So yeah, and also it even has the 25th celebration collection BAB thing on the toe or paw right here. And there is another paws. And he dressed up in this Easter clothes right here. And it says, "I'm so extra," with the pink and light blue plaid shirt. So yeah, this is really cool. Really cool Chubby Cubby for 1997. So yeah, Here he is. Also, it came with the birth certificate. So, his name is Cubby. Born on April 11th, 2022. Height is 11 inches. Weight is 9 ounces. Eye color is brown. Fur color is dark brown. Belongs to me. So, yeah. That is the 1997 Chubby Cubby from Bear Bear Workshop. Last up is Disney Store. They're from Grapevine Mills. So, I got these Numos collections here. So, this is the Disneyland Resort shirt. It is in black. And also, this phone case. This is for the 10 and 10S. So, this is, I'm really a mermaid. So, that one says I'm really a mermaid. So, this is from Little Mermaid. I really love these rhinestones on here. So, yeah, rhinestones on the side. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. So, I remember I saw Little Mermaid, the movie, and also the musical here in Wichita. So, that's why I got the Little Mermaid phone case. I believe this is for the iPhone 10 and 10s. So, yeah, it's really cool. Also, I got, it is piglets. So, I got a piglet. They're from Winnie the Pooh. So, I got piglet. Look at that. They're from Disney Numos. So, yeah. I can't wait to dress Piglet up. So, yeah. This is really cool. And I believe that's it. So, finally, I got these 3 years of totes. Look at that. It says Disney Store on it. And also, look at the bag. You can see Mickey Mouse. So, yeah. Here's what I got from the Disney Store. So there you go, guys. That is the stuff I got from Texas, including Grapevine and South Lake. And also my friend's wedding. So, yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite thing that we saw. Of course, my favorite is the Hydro Flask and also Chubby Cubby and Tyler stuff. So, yeah, and also Dasio Japan stuff. So, yeah, let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite thing that we saw here. So, yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to give me a thumbs up, you can. So, yeah. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click on type subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Bear 100 Games channel and Bear Bear Game 17's channel. Until next time, peace.